Okay, so page 91, number 5. A funnel has a diameter of 9 inches and is 16 inches tall. All right, so here we go. A funnel is a cylindrical cone shape that you pour something in. You know, it usually has a spout at the end, but it says a plug is put in the open end of the funnel. So we're just looking for the volume of the cone to the nearest tenth. And this cone has a diameter of 9 inches and is 16 inches tall. So make a quick little sketch here. Okay. All right. So now that I see what I'm looking at, so I'm going to draw this again right here on my scratch paper so I can see it a little bit better. And so I have a cone. It has a diameter of 9 inches. So a diameter, remember a diameter is the distance all the way across that circle through the midpoint. So the diameter is 9 inches. And the height is 16 inches. So I'm going to drop it from a right angle down to the center point of the cone, 16 inches. And we're finding the volume of a cone. So remember, a volume of a cone is 1/3 the volume of a cylinder. So volume of a cone is 1/3 pi r squared times height. For the formula, we just need to know the radius and the height. The height is 16 inches, and the radius, well, they only gave us a diameter. So the diameter, we need to divide that by 2. 9 divided by 2 is 4.5. Our radius is going to be 4.5. So we're just going to go ahead and put 4.5 in for the radius and 16 in for the height. So let's rewrite that. 1/3 pi, 4.5 squared times height. And oopsie, forgot to write the squared. Let's write that on there. All right, now just work this out. So 4.5 squared is 4.5 times 4.5, which is 20.25. Rewrite that. 1/3 pi times 20.25 times 16. I like to look for the 1/3. Is there something divisible easily by 3? I don't see anything. So I'm going to go ahead and multiply the 20.25 times 16 and rewrite that as 1/3 pi times 324. Now when I see 324, I see 300, which is divisible by 3, and 24, which is divisible by 3. And 1/3 of 324 is 108. So the volume is 108 pi. All right, so 108 pi. However, we're going to put 3.14 in for pi, multiply that out. We're going to get 339.12. We're supposed to round to the nearest tenth. We look at the 2 and the 100th. It's less than 5, so it's going to go away. We're going to keep the 1. So the volume is 339.1 inches cubed.